finally in Australia, guys. So we are now here in the international airport. So out in the quarantine station. And hello. Hi girls and boys. We are now here in Australia. So here is our first food.
First place. What was it?
Hi guys, welcome back to Australia. Look at guys, wala kang katao-tao. Where are you going? Go up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here along the road going for a walk. Just covering our face. We're going to a garden. At the moment, we are hiking because we don't have car. So I want to show you guys the portion of Australia. Portion only. So supposedly this is a best busy road, but look at that. So we're just going out for a while just to walk, but we're covering our face. We're will naman, okay? Nice. Hi guys, look at the roses in here. That's almost going out because of the winter is coming, so it's autumn time, but a little bit cold, frosty. So hey, it's nice flowers. So I am at the garden at the moment, guys. So I just had a few walk with. Look at the flowers. Nice guys, no? The smell is good. And what I attract here, guys, is this geranium. Red geranium. I have this before. I think when I've got our place to be settled down, I will plant like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today magluluto tayo ng lamb grillers. So this is our red onions and our tomatoes, and this is our lamb grillers. So we bought this online, guys, because of the lockdown. And instead of having a square or round frying pan, I've got this deep frying pan, and then or wok or whatsoever, and then we just cook in here. So at the moment we are in the Airbnb, so use what is available in the kitchen at all. So now we are going to put it in. So for the time being, guys, that is what we are going to do. We went somewhere else for a little bit of walk, and then of course distancing, always do the social distancing pa rin. So that's it. I will show you later, okay? So this is our tea for today, and then hey, such a yummy tea. I'm getting excited, guys, to have my rice hopefully tomorrow. So for 6 days I'm not eating rice, so I'll always have this kind of stuffed bread and some T-bone steak, lamb grillers today, and salmon at a time. Oh, self-isolation. Hi guys, this is our tummy yummy for today. So hi guys, this is now my tea. So this is cooked, this is lamb grillers, and this is our tomatoes and red onions, okay? So let's eat and happy eating. So here we go. So here we go guys. Let's eat. Okay, so thank you for watching to my channel guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time. Bye everyone, and hit the notification bell below for more videos. Bye.